If you want to list your items on Amazon with InventoryLab, but manage all the boxing and shipping with Send to Amazon, no problem. All you have to do is create a batch and complete the Find It step in InventoryLab. After that, you can do the rest on Amazon. First, create a batch by clicking the large plus sign in the upper left. Give the batch a name that will be easy to recognize in Seller Central. Then set the channel to Fulfilled by Amazon FBA and click Batch Settings. You can use any batch settings you prefer. Box contents can be on or off, and you can import a buy list if you want. See our article Starting a Batch for more info. Next, add all your items to your batch. You can watch a complete walkthrough of this process in our video guide Find It, listing your items in a batch. Once you've added your items and finished waiting for any new MSKUs to validate, click Continue to Box It in the lower right. Then hit Start Boxing My Batch to confirm. You'll arrive on the Box It screen. And that's it. You're done in InventoryLab. Switch over to Seller Central. To reach Send to Amazon, click the hamburger menu in the upper left, mouse over Inventory, and click on Shipments. Then mouse over Shipments in the upper left and choose Send to Amazon. You'll arrive on one of your open workflows. If it isn't the batch you just created in InventoryLab, click Active Workflows in the upper right. Find the one with the same name as your new InventoryLab batch and click Switch to this workflow. You'll arrive on step 1B of the Send to Amazon workflow. All your items are here and you're ready to start boxing. Now that you've located your batch and Send to Amazon, you don't need to keep it open in InventoryLab anymore. Return to InventoryLab and click the kebab menu to the right of the batch's name. Then choose Close Batch. Hit OK to confirm. This will remove the batch from your open batches in InventoryLab without affecting your Send to Amazon workflow. You can now return to Seller Central to box and ship your batch. If you ever get stuck, just click Need Help on the right to open Amazon's step-by-step guides.